Okay, let's do the 20th one. Okay, that is derivative of a plus b sin x upon c plus d cos x. Now this is also again in the form, the quotient form or the division form. So you can assume this to be u and this to be v. So you can take u upon v whole dash. Okay, derivative of u upon v, that is u dash v minus u v dash upon v squared. Okay, we'll use this formula. So it will be, now let's find out u dash. Okay, so u is equal to a plus b sine x, which implies u dash is equal to derivative of a plus b sine x. Okay, so which is equal to, now let's d by dx of a plus d by dx of b sine x. So d by dx of a constant will be 0 plus, let's bring the b constant out, so it will be d by dx of sine x. Okay, so this is 0, this will be b, the derivative of sine x is cos x, so it will be b cos x. Okay, this is equal to, this is u dash. Okay, let's find v dash. So v is equal to c plus d cos x. Okay, which implies v dash is equal to derivative of c plus d cos x. Okay, so we can write this as derivative of c plus derivative of d cos x, d by dx of d cos x. Okay, so this will be the derivative of c, a constant, will be 0 plus, let's bring the d out, so d by dx of cos x. So this is 0, so derivative of cos x will be negative sin x, so it will be minus d sin x. Okay, this is v dash. Okay, now let's put these values u dash and v dash, u and v in the formula. Okay, so that will be u is a plus b sine x multiplied by sorry, not a, not u. Okay, u dash is b cos x, and u dash, and then v is c plus d cos x minus u is a plus b sin x, and v dash is minus d sin x. So minus will be multiplied here, it become plus d sin x. Okay, upon v square, that is c plus d cos x whole square. Okay, so let's multiply this inside. This will become b cos x multiplied by c will become bc cos x. This will become bd cos square x. Okay, plus bd cos square x, plus this will become ad sin x. Okay, ad sin x, ad sin x plus bd sin square x upon c plus d cos x whole square. Okay, now you see we have cos square x and sin square x here, so if we bring that together we can have the formula sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. Okay, so let's bring bc and ad together. Okay, so bc cos x plus ad sin x. Okay, now bd cos square x plus bd sin square x upon c plus d cos x whole square. Okay, so you see bd cos square x plus bd sin square x. Let's take bd common. Okay, so now first let's write this bc cos x plus ad sin x. bc cos x plus ad sin x. Okay, plus let's take, now this is finished, let's take bd common here. So bd, now you have cos square x plus sine square x, okay, upon c plus d cos x whole square. Now this is 1, okay, cos square x plus sine square x is 1, so you can write 1 instead of this. So bc cos x plus ad sine x plus bd multiplied by 1 upon c plus d cos x whole square. So bd into 1 is bd, so you can write bc cos x plus ad sine x plus bd upon c plus d cos x whole square. Okay, that's it. This is the answer. Okay, now let's do the next 21. Okay, that is d by dx of sine x plus a upon cos x. Okay, so this is also again in the division form, so we'll use a quotient rule, that is u upon v, assuming this to be u and this to be v. Okay, so u v whole dash, this formula we'll use. Okay, so let's find out u dash. So u is equal to sine x plus a implies u dash is equal to derivative of sine x plus a. Okay, now you know the derivative of sine x is cos x, but this is x plus a, so you have to derivate this again according to the chain rule. So derivative of sine x is cos x, so assuming this to be x, so we write of cos x plus a, sine x plus a is cos x plus a, again derivative of x plus a. Okay, x plus a, so derivative of x will be 1 and a will be 0. Okay, so 1 into cos, this will be this, so cos x plus a. Okay, derivative of 1 is 1 and this is 0, so cos x plus a into 1 is same thing. Okay, this is u dash. Now let's find v dash. So v is equal to cos x, which implies v dash is equal to minus sin x. Okay, that's it. So what we do now, let's put these values in the formula. Okay, so u dash, so u dash is cos x plus a, cos x plus a, and multiplied by v, v is cos x, okay, minus u as it is, so u is sine x plus a. Okay, and v is, sorry, v dash is minus sine x. Okay, so what we can do now, upon v square. Okay, v square is cos x whole square. Now see, this negative can be multiplied inside, so it becomes cos x plus a cos x plus sin x plus a sin x upon cos x whole square. Now you see, this is cos x plus a cos x plus sin x plus a sin x. This is in the form, if you assume this to be a and this to be b, x plus a, this is also x plus a is a and this is x is b, then cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. So you have a formula here, trigonometric formula, that is cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Okay, which is equal to cos a minus b. Okay, this is the formula, so we can write this in this form, cos a minus b form. Okay, so we'll get cos a is x plus a minus b is x. Okay, upon cos x whole square. Now you see, positive x and negative x, this both get cancelled, so you have cos a upon cos x whole square. Okay, so this is the answer.